Hey, it's Fuzzy. Okay, you guys, new drive belt for the mower deck. All right, this is the 42-inch RZT SX Club Cadet. I'm finding a little bit of slippage on this belt. We're gonna get it off. We're gonna check the length. I did order it the same length and so on and so forth. So we'll get it off. Look at the condition of the old belt and compare it with the new belt, and probably put the new belt on. Definitely keep the old belt just in case. You never know. Okay, got her out. We're gonna get that one off, and let's see how big they are. Okay, so it is the exact same length. The other one's really not stretched that much, but you can see that it is definitely a smaller in width, and she's shined up. So you know, I don't think that it needs to be changed, but I'm going to change it anyway, just because it's shined up and it's a touch bit smaller, and I think you can see that. But all in all, I think it's a great belt. It looks like it's good quality. It's you know, it's got the connector right there, just like the other one. I don't know if you can see that. There we go. You can see where the connector is on that one and on the other one. So we'll see if she lasts. I'll keep the old one just in case. All right, that's my review. Thanks for coming, guys.